Please watch the whole video. Cambridge is a historic city in Cambridgeshire, England, known for its prestigious university, beautiful architecture, and rich cultural heritage. Located about 50 miles north of London, Cambridge has a population of around 130,000 people. The city is renowned for its academic excellence and has been a centre of education and research for centuries. The area around Cambridge has been settled since prehistoric times. There is evidence of a Roman settlement in the area known as Ponting. In the early medieval period, Cambridge became a significant trading post due to its location on the River Cam. The establishment of the University of Cambridge in 1209 marks a crucial turning point in the city's history. Scholars fled from Oxford to Cambridge, leading to the formation of what would become one of the most prestigious universities in the world. During the Middle Ages, Cambridge developed into an important centre of learning and culture. The Renaissance period saw Cambridge University flourish, with many colleges being founded, including King's College, Trinity College, and St. John's College. The city played a significant role in the English Civil War, supporting the parliamentary side. In the 19th and 20th centuries, Cambridge continued to grow both as a city and a university town, with numerous scientific discoveries and advancements. Famous historical places in Cambridge. 1. University of Cambridge is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the world. 1. Established in 1209, it consists of a federation of autonomous colleges, each with its own distinctive history and traditions. Number of colleges: the University of Cambridge comprises 31 autonomous colleges. These colleges operate independently within the university, each managing its own administration, admissions, and student services. The colleges are responsible for providing accommodation, scholarships, and pastoral care to their students, as well as organizing small group teaching sessions known as supervisions. Some of the most famous colleges include King's College, known for its iconic chapel and Christmas Eve service. Trinity College, the largest and wealthiest college, with a strong emphasis on mathematics and sciences. St. John's College, famous for its beautiful architecture and the Bridge of Sighs. Queen's College, known for the mathematical bridge and its historic buildings. Gonville and Caius College, has produced many notable medical and scientific alumni. The University of Cambridge has educated many influential and prominent figures across various fields. Here are some notable alumni: Sir Isaac Newton, Trinity College, renowned physicist and mathematician who formulated the laws of motion and universal gravitation. Charles Darwin, Christ's College, naturalist who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection. James Clerk Maxwell, Trinity College, physicist known for formulating the classical theory of electromagnetic radiation. Stephen Hawking, Trinity Hall, theoretical physicist and cosmologist, known for his work on black holes and author of A Brief History of Time. Francis Crick, Gonville and Caius College, co-discoverer of the structure of DNA. John Milton, Christ's College, poet and intellectual, best known for Paradise Lost. Lord Byron, Trinity College, renowned poet and leading figure of the Romantic movement. A. Milne, Trinity College, author and creator of Winnie the Pooh. Sylvia Plath, Newnham College, influential poet and novelist, known for The Bell Jar. Oliver Cromwell, Sydney Sussex College, military and political leader during the English Civil War. Jawaharlal Nehru, Trinity College, the first Prime Minister of independent India. Prince Charles, Trinity College, the Prince of Wales and heir apparent to the British throne. Zadie Smith, King's College, author and essayist known for her novel White Teeth. Alan Turing, King's College, mathematician and computer scientist, known for his work in breaking the Enigma code during World War II and foundational contributions to computer science. Tim Berners-Lee, Queen's College, inventor of the World Wide Web. 2. The River Cam and its bridges, mathematical bridge, a wooden footbridge that connects two parts of Queen's College. Its design is a marvel of engineering. Clare Bridge, the oldest of Cambridge's bridges, completed in 1640. 3. The Round Church, one of the 4 medieval round churches in England, built around 1130. It is an iconic example of Norman architecture. 4. Cambridge Market Square, the historic market area that has been in operation since the Saxon era. It remains a vibrant hub of the city with stalls selling a variety of goods. 5. The Fitzwilliam Museum, founded in 1816, the museum houses a vast collection of art and antiquities, including works by Titian, Veronese, and Turner. 6. The Eagle Pub, a historic pub where, in 1953, scientists Francis Crick and James Watson announced they had discovered the structure of DNA. 7. Cambridge University Botanic Garden, established in 1831, this 40-acre garden is a haven of biodiversity and a research facility for plant science. The University of Cambridge has a rich history of academic excellence and has produced an impressive array of alumni who have made significant contributions to various fields. With its 31 colleges, the university offers a unique educational environment that combines the advantages of both a large university and smaller collegiate communities. The city hosts various annual events, including the Cambridge Science Festival and the Cambridge Folk Festival, reflecting its vibrant cultural scene. Cambridge is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and unique traditions. Among the many activities and events that draw both locals and visitors alike are the Cambridge Marathon, Strawberry Fair, and Punting on the River Cam. The Cambridge Half Marathon is a popular annual event, attracting runners from all over the UK and beyond. Although not a full marathon, it covers a distance of 13.1 miles. The race typically starts and finishes on Midsummer Common and takes runners through some of the city's most iconic sites, including the historic city centre, the University of Cambridge colleges, and along the picturesque River Cam. The event is usually held in March. The first Cambridge Half Marathon was held in 2012. It has grown significantly in popularity, with thousands of participants each year. Besides promoting fitness and community spirit, the marathon often raises funds for various charities. Strawberry Fair is an annual, volunteer-run music and arts festival. It is one of the largest and longest-running free festivals in Cambridge. The fair takes place on Midsummer Common, typically held on the first Saturday of June. Established in 1974, Strawberry Fair has become a beloved event that celebrates creativity and community. The fair features live music from local and national bands, performance arts, food stalls, craft vendors, and a variety of activities for all ages. The fair is known for its vibrant atmosphere, eclectic mix of performances, and its commitment to being a free and inclusive event for all. Punting is a quintessential Cambridge activity, offering a unique way to explore the city's waterways and historic sites. A punt is a flat-bottomed boat propelled by a person using a long pole. There are 2 main punting routes. This route takes you past several of the University of Cambridge's most famous colleges, including King's College, Trinity College, and St. John's College. Highlights include stunning views of the college buildings and their beautifully manicured gardens. This route heads out of the city towards the picturesque village of Grant Chester, offering a more tranquil and nature-focused experience. Punting has been a popular pastime in Cambridge since the early 20th century, and it remains a favourite activity for both tourists and locals. Visitors can rent a punt and try their hand at navigating the river themselves. For those who prefer a more relaxed experience, chauffeured tours are available. Professional punters guide the boat, often providing historical and anecdotal information about the sites along the way. Punting is most popular during the warmer months, from late spring to early autumn, but it can be enjoyed year-round, weather permitting. Cambridge's annual events and activities, such as the Cambridge Half Marathon, Strawberry Fair, and Punting on the River Cam, highlight the city's vibrant culture and historical charm. These experiences offer unique ways to engage with the community, enjoy the scenic beauty, and celebrate the rich heritage of this iconic city. Cambridge is a city that seamlessly blends historical charm with modern innovation. Its storied past, stunning architecture, and world-renowned university make it a unique and fascinating place. Whether exploring its medieval colleges, punting on the River Cam, or visiting its museums and gardens, Cambridge offers a rich tapestry of experiences that reflect its profound historical and cultural significance. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video informative, please provide the feedback in the comment box, click the like icon and subscribe the channel for more educational and interesting videos.